Hey there! Inside your seat cover accessories, you'll find a bright orange tool. Wondering what it's for? Let me show you how versatile it is. The flat end and the grooved end serve different purposes. The flat end is great for 1. Tucking the seat cover or Velcro into the crevices of the seat. This helps protect your fingers. 2. Pushing foam cushioned sides into place. 3. Tidying up the seat cover. The grooved end is ideal for 1. Pulling zippers. Car seat covers can be snug, so this tool makes it easy to fully close the zippers. 2. Threading cords or strings. 3. Prying open plastic panels. For the Honda Pilot's third row, you'll need to take out the seats. The screws that secure the seats are hidden beneath a plastic panel. Use the grooved end of the tool to carefully pry open the panel, allowing you to access and remove the screws. 4. Pressing down on tricky headrest buttons. Some headrests have switches that require a fine point to detach. The grooved end works well for this. Just be careful not to poke the grooved end directly into the seat cover, as it could tear the leather. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm happy to provide more details.